Stop till I get them in their birthday suit.
So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloon. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloon. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big.
Birthday suit. Birthday suit. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes out. Birthday suit.
So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloons. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big.
Stop till I get them in their birthday suit.
So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloons. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloons. So let me get you in your birthday suit. It's time to bring out the big balloons. Make it like a birthday every day. I know you like to see, so you can have your way. Give me something good to celebrate. Someday, I'll make it like a birthday every day. Give me something good to celebrate.
Birthday suit. Birthday suit. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes out. Birthday suit. Birthday suit.
Papayong sa'yo na video.
Yeah, hagis mo na. Hagis mo na, naka-video na.
Agis mo naman.
Agis mo na.
nakabigyan daw. Dali, dali.
Hawakan mo na ito, nak. Ito.
Bilisan mo naman. Sa video nga pwede sikat ang picture.
Pwede ko i-shot to. Pwede ko i-shot.
Hindi dad, pero mahahati-hati natin yan ang picture. Okay. Mami, wish ka na.
Ako naman.
Oh, ikaw naman na. Sige na.
Tama doon.
You miss me? I miss all of y'all. All y'all girls standing together like that.
Yes, ako'y mamo. Happy birthday. Sana kumaba ka pa din. Kasi dakal ka aso sa pan. Wala ko nga sabi kay ano, happy birthday. I love you.
Yes, happy birthday. Eh, kung kakaling mo sana na tabibigyan mo ka na ako yung Pasko, loko. Miss ko na yung tarelo ko. Lalo, in 29, minum kaya karitsere. Kailangan magpadalakan ka kung magkano mo, baka kanita, magsaya niya ka rin. At least, miss na kanita, interview. Pero ay pa mancheri test, kami kaya kung pera mancheri ka na ako, marami na asaw ka ako sa habang ko. Kaya sana, magawang pasibali ito ba, kanito, hindi ka pera mong pasibali. Pero, salamat pala, Tess. Sana, makakaya mo hanggang paligwanan tayo hanggang 80 anyos o 90 anyos ba yung katawan mo. O, sige na, Tess. Bye-bye.
Hello sis, my younger sister na siya ako, sigaw, remember? Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to ako naman we love each other very much. Alam ko na God is right. Now we are very happy.
Birthday. Sana dakal pang birthday dati. Dakalang salamat ka rin. Hindi mong sahod kaya kami. Kapatid mo sa Pilipinas. Now, happy birthday.
Hello, Chimart! Happy birthday! 50 years old na ka. Wish you all the best in life and good health. Sana mikit ka tapasibayod at kalinguan tangan ega na ganang milyari. Sabi mo pa move on na sana okay ta nang anita mo nga nagkakapatid lalong-lalo na ikatangadwa may balik sana itang dating ikatangadwa. Happy birthday. Yan, si Joshua. Dali na, magsalta ka na.
Happy birthday po, tita.
Tita Tess.
Tita Tess.
Ano na sasabihin mo? Ikaw na.
Happy birthday po, Tita Tess.
Yun lang. Hindi ka I love you?
I love you po, Tita Tess.
I love you. May sakit si Tita Tess. Dapat sabi mo magpagaling siya. Open siya nun dapat.
Gambate!
Gambate dyan na yun. Tagalog. Ingat po kayo.
Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. God bless. Love you.
Hello, Chimart. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana mas marakal pamilya, mas makapag life. Kasi masyado yung word hindi para kaya kakal ka. So, paano yung gina-gina? Balama ko yung may limang patis kami. Anyway, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka kay Adoldo. Lalo na kay birthday mo ngayon. Okay, bye!
Hello, Ate Martes. 50th anniversary birthday. Sana mas makababang panahon ng paglamban na kapang mabira, banta miya tapos bahay. Sabi mo, balang December, bumuli na kaganyan. Kita mo, sana more life, longer and longer. And may God bless you always. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Hello, Smart. Advance. Happy birthday. Okay na. Dipon-dipon tawag kami. May kakapatid. So, sa Bianda na isala pa si Banyo makikip kaya birthday mo. Kaya sobra lang ano kasaya. O itan, tapos kaya lakakin. Salamat yung ka naman kasi sa Bianda kaya. For the Nolan. Kaya happy birthday naman eh. Lagi na ka mong stay beauty. of good health. Happy birthday!
Stay healthy and sweet. Ang masyadong isipan din problema rin, pero mga pag-aga mo. Masaya ako kaya okay ka taon. Sana rin mauli ni dati na tapos sabi ni kakamatid. Thank you and sana maging happy ka king birthday.
Wala mo patis-patisan.
Sana po.
Sana po, magkaroon ako ng iPhone na galing sa'yo. Bye-bye!
Kai, happy birthday! Ay, migta ka piya.
Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday ka, no? Op, inimpogi ngayon eh. Happy birthday pa.
Happy birthday po!
Happy
Oy, Lola.
Happy birthday, Tita Mars!
Koy, Georgie. Jordan, lumawi ka. Toreng anak na ka. Wah! Dave.
Happy birthday, Tess!
O, Rening Pogi ang pong engineer. Happy birthday, Chimardes.
Happy birthday, Tito Mark!
Happy birthday, Tita Marites!
At Chilina, ulit.
Happy birthday!
Koy. Merl.
Happy birthday!
Bye. Retang anak tanga ka rin. Lala. Happy birthday, Tita Des.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess!
Sherry. Kim, happy birthday, Tita Des. Oh.
Hello pa!
Hello, Ate Marites. Happy 50th birthday. Wish ko sana mas lalo ka pong maging healthy, stay beautiful. Kahalatang 50 years old, balabo at saka paking 30s. We love you. God bless.
Hi, Ate Marites! Happy 50th birthday! We love you from Boracay!
Sarap!
Salita ka naman!
Happy birthday, Tess! More birthdays to come!
Hindi, ako na. Birthday Tita Tess. Thank you dito sa pagpapatuloy mo sa bahay.
Thank you, ulit!
Thank you ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess! Thank you sa magpapatuloy dito and good health!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! McKenny! Wow!
Game. Taed.
Happy birthday, Tess.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Tita Tess!
Happy birthday, Madam.
Happy birthday, Tess. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Panae. Yan, tinatakang kaso sa sipon. Happy birthday. Magpalakas ka at ang ating mga apo. Bigyan tayo ng apo. Bigyan tayo ng apo. Happy birthday. Pwede na, Jay. Ganda na kami.
Hello, pare. Happy 50th birthday celebration. May you have more birthdays to come. Wish you the best in life.
Yeah, Mare. I hope for another Ate King of birthday celebration. So we'll be seeing you on your 60th. So, Tuteya, see you soon in December. I hope you come. Mare.
Inviting you on December 22. Ating birthday.
We'll see you there.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mamita. I love you.
Tita, happy birthday. Sana malago at sexy ka parate. At sana dakal pang birthday datang kay ka. Happy 50th birthday. I hope that you will enjoy the rest of your day with your family and friends. Ang wish ko for you is good health and happiness. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Diyos ng maraming blessings. And stay beautiful, tita. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong na ibinigay mo sa akin, sa advice na mga binigay mo sa akin. And on behalf of the Quaresma family, ay binabati ka namin ng isang maligayang kaarawan. I'll see you very soon, tita. We will see you very soon. And God bless you more and your family. Thank you for everything, tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, Malago! Wish you all the best. Stay pretty and kind. Sana'y ka magbayo. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tess. It is a privilege for me to wish you a happy birthday, and I would like to congratulate you on turning 50. Well, don't worry, my friend, you still look 35. Be happy, enjoy your life, and all I wish for you is to have a good health, long and happy life. Remember, I'm always here for you. Happy birthday again. Mwah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello. Hello, Tess. Happy birthday. Unang-una sa lahat, kay Lord Jesus. Alam mo na yung ating magic words. At naway maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. Unang-una sa Panginoong Jesus at higit sa lahat sa iyong pamilya. Alam natin na napakapalad mo at nagkaroon ka ng mga anak na mga super bait. At higit sa lahat, maganda talaga yung pagpapalaki nyo ni Paring Sammy na sila yung nakapag-isip sa ganitong mga video namin na talagang gusto nilang ibigay sa iyo lahat ng ikaligaya mo. Kaya ingatan mo ang iyong sarili at gaya nga na sinabi ko na masarap ang mabuhay. Lalo na kung ma-feel talaga natin na ganun nila tayo kamahal, ka-importante sa kanila. At maraming salamat at napasama ako sa kanilang mga napili na yun nga, batiin kita at higit sa lahat, bukal sa puso ko at sa kalooban ko na maging maligayang ka sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Tess.
Ay, madam. Happy birthday. Anong handa mo? Birthday na naman natin. Naku, hindi na tayo magkasama. Hindi kagaya dati. Sabay tayo nagsiselebrate. Ano ba yan? Namimiss ko na yung old times. Anyway, happy birthday. Stay healthy. Saka, lagi kang maging happy. Huwag mo kakalimutan mag-pray kasi yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Alam mo naman, swerte-swerte mo sa mga anak mo. So, dapat happy. Hello kay Tito Sammy. Hello sa lahat. Okay? Sige na. Love you. Bye-bye.
Oh. Hi, Marites. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ang kayong birthday mo. Pila na nga, katuwa mo na? 53 na nga tayo eh. Coming from all of us here in Milan, Mercado family. O ni Marisa.
Happy birthday, Tess.
Magsalita kayo.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Wish you good health and forever happiness po. Enjoy your day with your family and loved ones.
Happy birthday, Tita. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday po. Yeah, pasyal po kayo ulit dito sa Milan. You're always welcome here.
Si Yusong Kano, di namin pamasahe pa tagit me. O, rebatir niya, kaya puso, pota, nagagana. Pota, may siyak kay higit mo ko, your ex-kapate, ex-hitmate. Kaya klase, ne? O, sige, kumusta na kasami? Ang po kang Step, kang...
Thea.
Nalagyan?
Thea and Stephen.
Step lang kasi Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3 naman. Ito mabilis, ne? O, mimit kayo, Ken. Sana migit-migit na pang pasibayo. Either kwa in Milano, Ken in Singapore, ne?
Or in the Philippines.
O, kaya Pilipinas.
Santiago.
O, sige, wish you good health, more blessings, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday
Bye-bye.
po.
1, 2, 3!
Happy birthday, Marites!
Hello po, Tita. Happy 18th birthday po. I hope you always stay happy and healthy and pretty.
Happy birthday, Tita Marites. Wishing you more blessings, happiness, and good health. Thank you for having known you during your short stint with us. Enjoy your big day.
Happy birthday, Tita Tess. More blessings and good health. See you soon.
Tita, happy birthday po. Miss na po namin kayo. And see you soon. God bless po.
Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said,
Alright, is everybody ready? Alright, now here we go. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2.
it might seem crazy what I'm about to say. It might seem crazy, crazy. Sometimes she's here, you can take a break. Sometimes she's here, you can take a break. Hot air balloon, never go to space. Hot air balloon, never go with the air. Like I don't care, baby, by the way. Baby, by the way, baby, by the way. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Give me all you got, and don't hold it back. Give me all you got, and don't hold it back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. I'll be just fine. I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. No offense to you, don't waste your time.
Alright, is everybody ready? Alright, now here we go. A 1, 2.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high, it bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. a room without a roof.
Because I'm happy.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Because I'm happy.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey, clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.